What's up everyone? So today is Sunday, it's Sunday and palinis ang bahay. So guys, I'm so happy after long time nalinisan ng maayos yung bahay namin. So I'll give you a quick tour. After that, kain tayo ng lunch. Let's go. So guys, so ito pala ang aming living room, tambayan. So I'm gonna show you quick one. Let's go. Guys, that's a quick one. So ngayon, time to eat some Filipino food. Let's go for salvis and fried rice and halo-halo and bilo-bilo. Let's go! Check. Yo guys, kain na tayo. Beef chophan tayo, beef chophan. Chili sauce. Suka. Oh. Apa? Oh yes.
Kamusta? Busog? Grabe, solve-solve. Oh. Ganda ng weather ngayon dito. Oh. Sunny day. Hey guys, grabe. Busog na busog kami. Uwi na muna kasi si Mrs. Busog na busog. Let's go. Tara na.